So welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to be talking about the 4 top marijuana penny stocks to take seriously in 2019. And number 1 is Auxly Cannabis Group, right? And you can read this article here. We've got MPX Bioceutical, we've got Supreme Cannabis Company, and we've got Cannabis Science CBIS. So as usual, let's dive straight into them and have a look. Now, these articles are taken from online publications and sources. I then put them, make videos about them, and we have a look at them and we see how do these actual penny stocks look, or cannabis stocks, or stocks in general. If you want to get cannabis stocks or penny stocks into your inbox, sign up to the newsletter and to the free guide to learn how to trade penny stocks, and we'll send them. So as usual, let's jump to the chart. As you can see right now, this is not a stock that I would want to buy right now. Maybe, you know, in terms of later on in the year. We can see that the stock was up at $2.36. Right now, it's below the moving day averages. I'd like to see the stock come all the way up and break above that point there. Money stream down, MACD down. So right now, this isn't a stock that I would be looking at. Auxly Cannabis Group. So Auxly Cannabis Group is not a stock that I would want to buy and go long. Let's have a look at another one. MPX Bioceutical. I couldn't find this MPX Bioceutical Corporation within my actual chart. So what I've done is I'm looking at a one-day chart. I don't like the look of this chart. It's very choppy. In terms of a 5-day chart, it's still choppy. We find that the stock has come through the 50-day moving average. It seems like it's closing and going a little bit higher at the moment. In terms of its 6-month chart, the 6-month chart doesn't look too bad. But as you can see, we're already late to the party. The stock has already been moving up higher for a number of months, and we are already, you know, near a major resistance point. So it is perhaps not the best time to be entering into the stock right now. Plus this red candle, it tells me maybe we're running into danger. So this is a major resistance. If it can break it, sure, we can get involved in the stock if it breaks that. So. But right now, I'd be a little bit wary. I don't like the look of this chart on a daily chart at all. It's not a chart that I don't really like these charts where they're up and down all over. Again, this could just be a data feed problem, but this is not a chart that I like. Let's have a look here if we can find this chart. Supreme Cannabis Company. Supreme Cannabis Company. As you can see on a daily chart, the stock is down. Okay, we do look like we have found a little bit of support here. The money stream is pretty flat. I don't like the look of that. I don't like the MACD rolling over. Let's have a look and see on a monthly chart. On a weekly chart. The stock has been going up on a weekly chart. As you can see, we've got higher lows. This low was a little bit lower. This could be a long-term triangle pattern that's forming over here. Right now, this isn't a stock that I'd want to look to just buy right now. I'd have to wait for the right signal. Maybe the right signal would be, you know, crossing the main moving averages, money stream moving up, MACD moving up, volume moving up, and before I actually got into the stock right now. I mean, you could have shorted the stock at about 125 and you could have made a slight profit on it. I mean, 8% in 5 days. It's not really a stock that I would have wanted to get involved in. So that's why it always helps to look at the news and see what are people promoting, because you don't actually know. Is it that they're just mentioning it because for the past few months, you know, from this date, from January to April, it had been up? We really don't know, what goes through a lot of these people who promote these stocks on the internet. Why do they actually do it? So you never know who's on the other side of it. Let's have a look. So we are looking now at CBIS, Cannabis Science. Okay, we are on a daily chart. This isn't looking too bad. I mean, we do find that we've got a support level at 28 cents. Let's look at it on a weekly chart. This stock has been pretty wild. On the 2-day chart, I mean, some days it can go to 13 cents here. This isn't a stock that I would want to just get involved in. It's not something that these are not the patterns that I like, which are up and down all over the place. So this isn't a stock chart that I would want to just get involved in right now with this. So I would have to say pass on this one. Don't get involved with this stock right now. And so those are the 4 cannabis stocks that we've looked at. If you want to find out more, you can sign up to the free penny stock course, which I've got online. You can also get free penny stock picks, which we send out once a week, and we'll send you videos like this regarding stocks which are in the news. So I hope you enjoy this video. Pretty short, but none of these stocks meet my criteria. Different investors might find different criteria, but from a technical standpoint, this last CBIS chart, just the stock doesn't move. It's not a pattern that I would feel comfortable investing in. So I would avoid these cannabis stocks. They're not, in my opinion, they're not the top 4 marijuana penny stocks to take seriously. Not right now. If they show the right price patterns in the future, maybe.